Please don't tell me that this isn't real. Please don't tell me you don't need me here. Please don't tell me that. Please don't tell me that. Please don't tell me you don't need me here. Please don't tell me that this isn't real. Please don't tell me you don't need me here. Please don't tell me that. Please don't tell me that. Please don't tell me you don't need me here. Please don't tell me that this isn't real. Please don't tell me you don't need me here. Please don't tell me that. Please don't tell me that. Broken hearts won't heal the same. There's no excuse, there's no escape. I'm struggling to stay pure and tamed inside this prison. Beating hearts but out of time. There is no use, there is no right. Fighting to break out of my chains inside this prison. Running, leaving everything behind. Kissing you at the doorstep for a very first time. You just laugh from what I recall, telling me that it's okay. I missed your mouth and I remember walking awkwardly away. Let's just say I wasn't over this unspeakable mistake. Today we laugh, but on the inside I'm drowning in the heartache. If time machines were